Have you ever wondered if there is a simple yet incredibly effective trading strategy that even beginners can use to profit consistently? Today, I'm going to reveal one such a strategy using TradingView that you can apply to cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, and Forex. And the best part, it only involves two free indicators. Hello traders, I'm excited to share one of the most unexpectedly effective strategy that I have ever encountered. Whether you are a novice or an expert, this strategy is for you. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with a powerful tool to accurately control your emotion while trading and make informed decision.